This is a quick little video on the Q values when you're trying to do V, Q over IT. Again, this is only like a 2-minute video. When you're trying to find shear, maximum shear will always occur at the centroid of the piece. So in this case, if you're trying to find Q, you're going to find, I'll just show you that, you're going to find all this area in through here. You're going to find that, and then you're going to multiply it by the distance from the centroid here of this area times this distance here. So that would be how you're going to find maximum. And again, it doesn't matter whether you find the area here. I'll do a different color here. Sorry. Find the area. Oops, not what I want to do. Sorry, come back here. Doesn't matter when I want to find the area here or find the area down here. I could let Q be this value here. From here, find this area times the distance from the center line to the centroid of this, or it could be this area from the distance from here back to this centroid. So it doesn't matter at all. Now, back up. If I want to find, say, the shear going to be a B, now that's different. What you're going to do to find the shear at B is you're going to find out this area in here. Because you gotta remember something. As you work away from the centroid, as I get all the way out to here, my shear is 0 at the outer fiber. Bending stress will be maximum at the outer edge, but shear will be 0. So if I want to find out what the shear stress would be at B, I want to find this area here and then multiply it times this distance here. Call this X. That gives me my Q value. So this area times this X bar here would give me my value for Q. Alright, now let's say you get something, you want to do D. Now don't let D confuse you anymore. If you want to do D, just come down here and you got to find this area, a different color here, down here. This would be your Q value, and again your distance from the centroid, you'd multiply it by this distance right here. That's your Q value. It is not this area here. Okay, because that doesn't make sense, because that means as you move closer and closer to the centroid, the area is getting less. Your X bar is getting less, and you're getting less Q value. It doesn't work that way. It's the area from the outer fiber to the point. That's where you're going to get the Q value. Okay? That's just to clarify how to find Q when you're doing shear.